Alright guys, so here is a quick haul of what I did with the Walmart pickup today. I did grab some snacks. We were starting to run low. Snacks and soda was what we were really running low on. So I did grab that. A couple fruit, fresh things here and there. But let's start over here with the snacks. I got some Doritos for Nick because this is his favorite. Mia had requested some Chex Mix, so we got that. I don't know if you guys have ever tried these. The Crisp Thins, the Ritz Crisp Thins, they're so good. They're kind of like more like a chip than a cracker, but they are really good. My husband's favorite, the Giordetto's bagel chips, just the rye bagel chips. He likes those a lot. We got some mini pretzel twists. We got some iced animal crackers back there. We got some water ice that we're going to keep in the freezer for when we want just a cold treat. So a little bit of water ice. And then the fudge covered peanut butter cookies. These are really good. I'd have to say, like, these are probably my son's favorite cookies. And then we have some fudge mint cookies down here. They're also very good. And to try and balance out all of this kind of junk food, we have some bananas because we got to throw something that's healthy, right? We got some green beans here that we're going to saute for dinner one night. We got some spring mix here because that either in a salad, we'll make a salad this week or we'll do a sandwich and put some spring mix in it. That's always good. We got some balsamic vinegar back here. And I will say they're really good about substituting because I did order the large bottle of this. We use a lot of balsamic. And they just substituted with two of the smaller bottles, the same price. So that was really good. And I don't know if you guys have ever tried their Decaf Coffee. I'd have to say, like, really good considering that it's just a store brand coffee. But we like this one a lot. We mix it with our Starbucks coffee. Kind of get a little longer shelf life out of our Starbucks coffee by mixing it with this. And that turns out pretty good. Some canola oil spray. I've not tried this one yet. I usually stick with the name brand one. But we're going to try this and see how it is. I got some Duke's mayo. Let me know in the comments below if anybody has ever tried this mayo. This will be the first time I'm trying Duke's mayo. I usually go for the Hellmann's. So it'll be interesting to see how this is. Some half and half for my coffee. We got some black cherry black cherry soda. That's always good. Some hair gel for the guys. Some Reynolds wrap. Because I just ran out of that yesterday with ribs. We were cooking ribs and had no wrap, so that didn't go over too well, but we made it work. Got a glazed ham here. I'm going to make this for dinner one night, and then lunches for the rest of the week, and then also a split pea and ham soup with what'll be left over. So that'll turn out pretty good. We have some pork chops here. I have a recipe that my husband made the other day for pork chops, and we're going to do it again. They were so good. And this was my substitute item. I had originally ordered a pork tenderloin, but they didn't have any more, so they sent me this whole pork loin, which I do have a video of the South Philly style pork sandwich that I did, and it uses this kind of a pork loin. That's really good. I can link that in the description below here. And then the last thing we got is some pizza, in case we want a really fast dinner. Or just a quick lunch. Dinner would be probably pizza and a salad. Lunch would just be the pizza by itself. So always like to try and have pizza in the freezer for the kids too. So that's just a quick little haul of what I grabbed at Walmart today. So now I am going to just check over my list. Make sure that everything that was on my list I got or was substituted. And they're really good if something doesn't come, if you don't get something that you had ordered, you can go over it with them and they'll work with you, which is always really good. So I'm going to check over my list and then I'm going to get all of this stuff put in the fridge because that's the next thing I need to get done. So here we go.
Making moves, trying to get away from this life I'm living. Same old things every day.
See that? I almost forgot. So we got some of their buttered rolls I actually wanted their Hawaiian rolls, but they're buttered rolls. We'll see how they are. Some artisan bread. We like the little bit of a thicker bread for certain sandwiches that we do, so that should be good. We got some hamburger buns because I have some ground turkey I'm going to do some burgers with. And then we got these twin take and bake baguettes. I'm going to show you this week a ham sandwich that's not a typical ham sandwich. So it's a little bit of a doctored up ham sandwich with some goat cheese, some pepper jelly, and a little bit of the spring mix on a baguette. So I'll show you that this week too, because that's pretty good. So it's a good thing I started checking, or else these rolls and bread would have been sitting in my car for probably days. Not gonna lie, it would probably be days.
I'm wide awake, we're not getting younger. If you still love me, then please just let me go. I won't stay with you, I need to live my own life. Yeah, even if you doubt me now, you should know I don't care about the things you say. Yeah, I don't even know what I want no more, no more, no more. Yeah, I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life. Yeah, I don't even know what to do right now, right now, right now. Yeah.
So literally 2 days after I did this haul, our electricity went out. Now luckily we only lost it for about 20, I think it was like 21 hours. And everything I read said under 24 hours and you're safe as long as you're not opening the fridge. So I took our water jug out, I sat it on the countertop and I said, if you need water, grab it here. Do not open the fridge. If you know what you want, you can't just stand there with the fridge open. You need to know what you want, get it, and get the fridge closed again. Because there was like the pack of chicken that I was kind of on the fence about. We had lunch meat in there for a couple days that I just wanted to toss. I didn't want to chance it and get anybody sick. But luckily we got power back and everything started running, and nothing really, like our freezer stayed, like everything stayed frozen. But it was just the fridge part that I was kind of iffy on some of the stuff that was in there.
My new life, yeah. I don't even know what to do right now, right now, right now, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't wanna try again, try again, try again, try again. I don't wanna try again, try again. I don't wanna try again, try again, try again, try again. I don't wanna try again, try again. You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing.
So here's the perfect example why snacks do not last long in this house. As soon as I come home with an order from the food store, it's, Mom, what'd you get for a snack? What do we have to snack on? Let me see what we got. They'll go through everything, pick out their snacks, and then I'm left to clean everything up. Never fails. Always.
With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say you're doing right, but in the morning you just leave. Had to convince my friends this time. Think you're toxic to my mind, but I know they don't know what you're all about. The way you hold my body tight, staying up talking through the night. Yeah, I know they just don't. With us it's all or nothing. Oh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say you're doing right, but in the morning you just leave. I need more of. With us it's all or nothing.
So of course I had to get some dishes done. We're in the kitchen, right? I can't do a video without having to do some dishes. I constantly have dishes in my sink. The other day I actually thought I'm going to set up my camera right on the windowsill above my sink, and every time I go to do a dish, I'm going to pop the camera on. Because I legit think I stand at my kitchen sink probably an hour a day. Not all at one time, but an hour accumulated over the day of just doing dishes. And I think even if I had a dishwasher, I'd probably be running that twice a day because it never stops. Let me know. Put a dish in the comments below if you're in the same boat, just constant dishes.
With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say you do it night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. With us it's all or nothing. But guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing. But guess I need more of you. You say you do it night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Spinning like a broken record. For a player, you don't know that many major chords. We hang out bored, and you leave me here like I'm your landlord. You come back and say I'm sorry, boo, and I know you never mean it, gets you in though. Did you call me 'cause you had to? 'Cause you know I'd throw your suitcase out the window. I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry, I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine. Don't need no therapist, there's nothing like wine. So you're burning with desire. Really sure know how to set a girl on fire. I'm not calling.
Alright guys, so I'm going to end the video here, but I am going to give you a little sneak peek of what we're working on next, which should be in my next video. And that is my patio. Now I always say we make a mess to clean a mess, and right now we are in the process of making the mess. We're power washing the patio, we're getting some cushions done, some plants planted, but make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you can see this is going to be the next video coming up of how we get this chaos into some kind of order. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video for today. Please give it a thumbs up, and like I said, be sure you're subscribed to my channel to see how my make a mess to clean a mess ends of my back patio. Bye!